the comedian dictator, the president of Ukraine, whom Trump called a moderately successful comedian and a dictator just 2 weeks back, he's today in the White House. He's negotiating for selling $500 billion of his country's rare minerals to America. Because Trump कहते हैं कि $350 billion के आर्म्स और एड यूक्रेन को दिए गए हैं, अभी उसका सूद समेत प्रॉफिट समेत he wants to वसूलify. Of course, Europe disputes this. It says that America supplied only 41% of the military aid, while Europe picked up 59% of the tab. But today, who is listening? And the same person whom he called a dictator because उनका presidential term खत्म हो गया है, he has invited him back, and today Trump says that no, I'm sorry, I made a mistake by calling him a dictator. And the person जिसका presidential term खत्म हो गया, उसके साथ अमेरिका $500 billion का डील कर रहा है. How is that even fair? और Russia is very happy. 25% of Ukraine's land is today owned by Russia. उसने उसको absorb कर दिया है अपने रिपब्लिक्स बनाकर. उसका mineral wealth अभी Russia exploit करेगा. And wonder of wonders, Russia is saying even American companies can come to exploit that mineral wealth in that part of Ukraine, which is now part of Russia. How will all this end? Will Europe call Trump's bluff and bluster? Was this why Macron was at the White House last week? Well, nobody is calling America's bluff, but America is today not the giant that Trump thinks it is. America, can it really crap on the rest of the world? Or it just says that it will? Well, it's time to call Trump's bluff. Will Europe do it? Because Modi ji surely hasn't done it. He is ready to import bourbon, Harley Davidsons, he is ready to import American oil and even badams from the USA. Who will call Trump's bluff?